Hey everyone, and welcome. In this recipe review, I'm making favorite baked beans from How Sweet Eats. I'll take you through each step of the recipe, I'll show you how it turns out, and I'll give you my honest opinion so you can decide if it's worth a spot at your next cookout or will become one of your favorite sides. Okay, so it's been a while since we've made baked beans, and since we're right in the middle of summer, I figured we were due. Our usual go-to recipe has whiskey in it, but I know there are those who don't like alcohol, so I looked for another one to review. That's when I came across this one from How Sweet Eats. It looked fantastic, and glancing over the ingredients, I thought, let's give it a shot. They were very easy to make, and I like the idea of starting with canned beans and building from there. It's so much easier and quicker than from scratch. I used Bush's baked beans, the Grillin' Southern Pit barbecue ones, and it turned out great. I baked them for 30 minutes and they were plenty bubbly. They smelled crazy good while baking, and when they came out of the oven, you want to just dive right in. When I took a bite, it was fantastic. The paprika makes them taste like they were in a smoker all day. I love how the bacon, onion, and bell pepper add texture, and the brown sugar adds a subtle sweetness underneath. Everything blends together into the perfect combination of salty, sweet, and savory. We made these again for a cookout, and they were a big hit all around and disappeared quickly. Overall, these baked beans are an absolute winner. Easy to make, packed with smoky, savory flavor, and perfect for any summer cookout. The balance of textures and sweet and salty goodness are spot on. I give them a solid 100 stars, and if you try them just once, you'll know they've earned it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.